Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to hide viewport border. So for example, I will draw rectangle and a circle. Go to the sheet 1 and then you can see we have this example viewport with border. So if you want to hide this border, we can create the layer and hide. So you can type layer, press enter and create new layer. I will set the names into border. You can check these icons to hide. And the next you can select the border, go to properties and then change layer into border. Click OK and the border will be automatically hide. So you can double click to move into the model view and click outside to close from the model view. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to hide viewport border.